in Hawaii, and we are in Maui. And we are doing a luau tonight.
Aloha!
The gang's all here. We got our welcome Mai Tais, and this is the current view that we have. And it is a 3-hour festivity filled with drinks, dancing, and a 5-course meal. So, cheers, and we'll see you guys in a bit. So we are starting the luau, and look, oh my gosh, there's a freaking rainbow. Oh, I'm so excited. Look how gorgeous our view is. There's our ship out, and look, it's about to sunset, and she is just starting the performance. We are right on the beach in Maui. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And there's an open bar. It's going to be a great night.
So Danielle, happy early birthday. Cheers to you.
Cheers!
Happy early birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday. Cheers, you guys, over at the skater table. Happy early birthday, Danielle. I'm trying to cheers him. He doesn't want to cheers me.
I'm sorry.
Cheers, man.
Happy birthday. Cheers, you guys. Thanks for coming.
Then,
Bamboo pineapple rice,
finally,
pork.
we have our lomi salmon. It is a sous vide style of cooking. Yes. Underneath this is a kalo puree. Oh boy. Enjoy.
Thank you very much. It looks delicious. So we just had the first course. Did you enjoy it? She's a really big eater. Did you like it? I even at the pork. Yeah, she doesn't eat anything, and she was scared of pulled pork, and it's like the best freaking thing on the planet. It's like the best pulled pork I've ever had in my life.
Yeah.
And now we're on to Craig agrees.
Yeah.
Craig agrees. And now I'm drinking drink number 2. This is a planter's punch, which is just like, basically just tastes like orange sherbet. So like, you can't taste the alcohol, so it just basically means drunk. So cheers to you guys. 4 days to my birthday, hanging out with all the good people. Let me flip you around. Everyone can have a chance to say hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey.
That's Craig. Dylan, say hi to the vlog. Leslie, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Oh, hey. And then Nicholas is somewhere.
Where?
Nicholas, where are you? Hello? Hello?
There he is.
There he is. Look at him. Strut, work. Strut, 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 strut. Work it. Okay, so we got this thing on our plate. We don't actually know what it is. What do you think it is?
It tastes like a radish. Very earthy.
Okay, so I'm gonna...
It's crunchy. Yeah.
Here, video me. Video me. I'm gonna try this. We don't know what it is. It's like very interesting looking. It like... Michael, is this right?
I know, right?
Okay, so let me take a bite. Oh, whoa. First of all, it's way crunchier than I was expecting.
It's like a radish.
But it's still bright red. Hold on. I want to ask her what this is.
I don't think it's a radish. Radish is
It actually has no flavor. It's probably just meant to be looked at and not eaten.
not that color.
But it has like even...
Watercress.
That's what it kind of tastes like.
Maybe it's food coloring. Maybe it's dyed to look more exciting.
Maybe so.
I want to know. I want to know what this
No.
is. Do you know what this is? This vegetable?
Yeah, it is a lotus root.
Lotus root. It's a lotus root.
There it is.
Is it food colored to be this color, or is this its natural color? They dyed it to be bright red. They dyed it to be bright red.
There you
now,
go.
The mystery is solved. these bitches over here are making fun of the way I talk on my videos. What do I say?
Hey y'all! Welcome to the vlog!
We're gonna say, okay, you buy one Hawaiian shirt at Walmart and think you have attitude, okay? All of a sudden, he thinks he's rich and can talk ish on me. And then Space Bun's over here yelling at me too. Hey y'all! She's just mad because she's English and wishes she could say y'all and it'd actually be appropriate, but it's not because you don't say that where you're from. Do you say that where you're from? No, we say hello everybody. Yeah, what do you say? Hello everybody. Exactly.
That's so proper. That's so
Exactly.
proper.
So we finished. So I'm resting my arm on your shoulder. I hope you don't mind.
You're fine.
Craig, lift me, Daddy.
It's fat.
That's a lie. Anyways, sorry this lighting is kind of ratchet. There's whatever.
Ratchet.
We are currently in Tahiti. We're actually in Hawaii, but we just finished Tahiti. And Craig, I need you to tell me all about it. Get off your phone and tell the people.
What do you need to know? Okay.
Tell about the food. Tell about the dancing. Tell me everything.
So far, ladies and gentlemen, we have been to Hawaii, where we have had the best pork and some bamboo pineapple rice, as well as some lomi salmon. Really, really good. We then traveled to
Areola, New Zealand.
Areola, Aotra, Aorta, whatever. We went to New Zealand where we had some wonderful fern shoot and pumpkin salad. It was pumpkin.
That's what that was.
Not sweet potatoes, pumpkin. And mushrooms and over baked orange and purple sweet potato. And then we had some braised short ribs. So good. So good.
You're done, yeah?
We've just now finished our course of Tahiti, where we had the baked shrimp and gardenia ginger oil. I thought it said Ojai. Too much Planters Punch. And we also had the poison crew, which was not poison at all. We all survived. And the Maui Fafa.
What's Poison Crew? What was
Poison
that?
Crew. It's a French island diced
Oh,
fish.
that was the
It was the
ceviche
ceviche.
thing. Yeah.
Ceviche, whatever. And then
Something.
and the Moa Fafa, which is the baked marinated chicken. So good.
Where are we going next?
We're about to go to, as we would say in America, Samoa, but it's a Samoa or Samoa. Samoa.
Take another drink. I'm sure it'll help you.
It's so good. Hold on.
Planner's Punch has given us life
Samoa.
tonight.
And so we're going to go to Samoa, where we're patiently waiting on our pani popo, which is a baked sartaro roll in creamy coconut milk, the beef sapasui, which is a braised marinated beef and garlic ginger soy, and a stewed figoda, which is a fresh island fish in mussels, clams, calamari, shrimp, very seafood. Last course is going to be dessert, which is going to be,
A pina colada for me.
and probably me too, or another Planter's Punch. But it's a coconut vanilla Mussolini cake, caramelized pineapple and salted caramel whipped. Oh my, yeah, I'm having the dessert.
So basically we're rich tonight is what you're
We're
saying.
so rich tonight. We're so rich in food, so rich in friends, and so rich in
Company time,
Planter's
drinks, and all the things. So we will catch up with you later. Did I even show you guys the ship? I don't even know if you can see it. Ready? You guys are really close. Here we go. There's our ship. Ready? See it out there? That's our ship. All the lights. That's our ship. Michael is thrilled. What are they playing, Michael?
Moana.
It's Moana.
Away, away.
We're gonna wash our hands now.
Wait, and the islands everywhere we go. Away, away.
Michael is Moana's #1 fan. He's watched it like 3 times. Okay, get out of there, Black Girl Magic.
That's my boy too, Michael Stewart. That's the one
I am a one of the girl.
Thank you girl. Oh, my freaking jaw just cracked. Sing it.
Oh, sorry.
Sing it.
She gets real sensitive.
Oh, clap for it, Michael. Clap for Moana.
I was first.
For Moana.
Oh, it's beautiful.